Your job might not exist in 5 years. No, this isn't science fiction. AI isn't coming. It's already here, writing articles, coding apps, editing videos, even creating art better than humans. While you're watching this, someone's getting replaced by a line of code. And if you think you're safe, you're exactly the one who needs to hear this. Remember when calculators replaced clerks? When the internet replaced bookstores? Now, AI is replacing human skills themselves. Writers, designers, marketers, people who spent years mastering their craft, are watching AI do their work in seconds, and it's not slowing down. McKinsey predicts that by 2030, 800 million jobs could vanish worldwide. Sounds terrifying, right? But there's another side to this story, because while millions will lose jobs, millions of new ones will be created too. People who understand AI, who learn how to control it, guide it, and use it, will rise faster than ever before. AI won't just replace humans. It will amplify the ones who know how to use it. Here's how you survive and thrive in the AI era. First, prompt engineering. Learn how to talk to AI. Those who know how to make AI work for them will replace those who don't. Second, critical thinking and human creativity. AI can create, but it can't think like you. It can write a script, but it doesn't feel emotion. It doesn't understand why people buy, trust, or connect. If you can combine creativity with AI, you're untouchable. Third, digital leverage. Learn to build online assets, YouTube, content, automation, businesses. People who use AI to scale their ideas online will earn in ways that 9-to-5 jobs never could. We're standing in front of the biggest shift since the invention of the internet. You can either be the one replaced or the one leading the revolution. The truth is, AI won't wait for anyone. It's already rewriting the rules of success. But the question is, will you watch it happen or rise with it? Because a new generation is forming right now. People who don't fear AI. People who use it to create freedom, money, and power. If you're ready to be one of them, if you want to grow with me, learn every skill that'll keep you 10 steps ahead, then stay here. Because this is just the beginning. Together, we're not just surviving the AI revolution. We're leading it.